What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Now, I thought I'd do like a little bit of a vlog, so I'm not really doing much to the car. I'm doing bits. I've got some new mats, like tailor fitted mats, so I'm going to be throwing them in the car. I also want to give a little bit of a shout out to Car Cologne. They've hooked me up again with some more stuff. I've got a Sauvage scented Car Cologne smelly and the new car mist as well in the Sauvage. Always properly impressed with the packaging. The packaging's really good. Those look really cool. Really good, like, quality sort of box. They make really good gifts, to be fair. They've put me up with a few cards as well. I'm going to stick them on my windscreen at Japfest. Because that's what I'm doing at the minute. I'm doing bits, but I'm not doing much. Don't mind the hair. But yeah, I've literally got my bucket ready with all my gear in. I'm going to go down to Morrison's, because I can't be arsed hooking up the stuff, to wash the car on the drive. It's just a bit of a nightmare. And yeah, I'm going to give the car a good wash. Thought I'd take you guys along with me. I've got a couple of parcels I need to take, post them. Yeah, I'm going to throw the Car Cologne stuff in, give the spray a go, put the mats in. But yeah, just doing bits. Nothing major. Just thought I'd take you guys along for the journey. Definitely taking this stuff with me. Absolute lifesaver. A carrier bag just of things that I know I'm going to end up using while I'm there. So I'm probably just going to take that. Probably going to take the wash and wax, and I'll probably take the a couple of microfiber cloths. So I've got the big one for the wash and wax. I've got the little one for the window cleaner stuff. I'm going to do the tyres at Morrison's. I'm going to do the plastics, the bumper black sort of stuff at the Morrison's. But yeah, just thinking, I don't think I really need anything else. So get the window cleaner, I'll get the wash and wax. That should do it. That's all the crap loaded up. And there's my old Car Cologne down there. Excuse the mess in the car. So it has been stood overnight. I wouldn't normally do it this way, but I'm just going to literally just pull the dipstick out and have a look at where it sits. So that's fine. Just going to check the coolant. Coolant's fine. Job's good in. Bye. So I've just rocked up and they've both got things placed in the middle of them, so I'm guessing that they're both down, they're both broke. Awesome. So I've just had to Google it and find out where the closest self-car wash is, or self-service car wash as they call them. And I think I'm going to go for a big trip round by the look of it. I'm going to try BP because BP's quite close. I think I remember that they've got one. But the search results on Google are so minimal when you type that search in. I'm sure there's more than that around here. They're not really something that you look for though either. Like when you're in petrol stations and stuff, you don't really... you're not really looking for that, are you? You're just looking at what the price of petrol is and if they've got V-power or not, so... But anyway... That's where I'm going at the moment. I'm on my way to BP to see if they've got a self-service car wash. So I've finally found one. I went to Morrison's, that was closed as you saw. I went to BP, they don't even have one. I don't know what I was thinking. I finally found one and it's actually pretty cool. It's like all boxed off and stuff. So yeah, they're just behind me where the petrol station is, where people can see. So I could like set a camera up in corner or something and record it, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to try and get it washed as quick as I can. Then carry on running around like a headless chicken. I might have to get myself a kind of monster as well, to be fair. Anyway, I've got enough of them, Danny. I think I've had 3 this week. Catch you in a bit. He went for it. Didn't he? I need to get that out. What am I doing? Car's locked. I I need the EK cup holders, that's what I need. It's like a cup holder insert that goes in there and there. I'm sure Teggy would do like a fiberglass copy of it. It's like 40 quid, I'm sure I'll be able to find one cheaper than that, like a genuine Honda one. Anyway. I'm absolutely knackered and I genuinely don't think I'm going to be able to do it inside. I'm just absolutely dripping. It's disgusting. But yeah, I've wrapped up, done all my stuff, done everything that I need to do. Car's looking well. It's come out really well. Very nice. So I'm going to throw my mats in, get my car cologne out, give it a spray, because I don't think I'm going to even bother with the interior. I just can't be arsed. Just cannot be bothered. It doesn't look too bad. It's okay for me to drive in. I'm comfortable driving with, you know, bits of like debris on the floor. I'm going to throw the mats in. Look at that, I do like these tailor fitted like mats. So these were, I think, 16 quid off eBay. I don't think they do anything like this on Wish, but they look so much better. I mean, the carpet, I showed you earlier, the carpet's stained on the passenger side because car parts, it's the daily. I normally throw things on the floor, I really shouldn't. I'd love to get an EK9 red carpet for it, and then get some like red Recaros or something crazy. But yeah, these rear mats look really, really nice. They fit really, really well. I've tucked it under that piece of plastic there that you can see in the centre of the screen, so that it just holds it in place. It has got a little tab there, but unfortunately this car isn't fitted with the optional extra mat tab. There we go, pulled focus now, you see what I mean? Normally slots over a mat tab that comes with the car when you get optional extra mats. I don't think this car was ever fitted with mats from the factory, or from the dealership should I say. But yeah, now I'm going to give it a spray with some of this cool stuff. As I say, I have had Sauvage before. Again, please excuse the mess on the interior, I just can't be arsed. But yeah, I have had the car cologne before. I had it there, and this is the new car mist that they've released. And yeah. Oh wow, that smells amazing. That actually smells really cool. It's so accurate, it's ridiculous. So yeah, that's the car mist by Car Cologne, and it smells brilliant. It's ridiculously accurate. There you go, there's their social media handles if you want to go and grab yourself one for your own car. But yeah, it smells really, really good, and this is really strong as well. One of the things that I had a problem with on the original Car Cologne that I got was the strength of it, and they did tell me that they've actually redesigned the bottle, and the string goes through the cork now, so that it's more freer flowing. Is the scent that it gives off, you know, it's got more breathing space, if you like. It can breathe easier. But this, if you want a quick burst of freshness, say you like, you know, date night with the missus, give it a quick spray before she gets in. Maybe you've just farted, you want to get rid of that whiff, ideal. So yeah boys, highly recommend. So I've done everything that I needed to do, all my Japfest prep if you like. I'm also taking with me, so like I said, I've got in there my waterless wash and wax by Total Wax, and also my Rain-X window wash, you know, my glass cleaner, air pump, air compressor, and also a little box of tools. And it's literally just the tools that would work on my car. So obviously, as you know, Hondas, they have 8, 10, 12, 14, 17 mil you know, nuts, bolts, whatever it is across the car. So that's all I've taken in like a shallow socket and spanner. So yeah, just sort of stuff like that, pliers and things like that, cable ties, gaffer tape. Just hope that on a road trip, or if I decide to take it on track, if I end up ripping a bumper off, I can just tape it up, duct tape it, cable tie, whatever I need to do, just in case. I don't even know if I'm going to go on track, because the clutch on this, as you know, needs doing.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Very, very high, and it doesn't slip in gears. but it does slip on launching first, which is what's putting me off obviously going on track with it. If it slips anymore, and if I end up driving the car back with a slipping clutch or worse, it goes on track, I'll be a bit fucked. But this is basically a Japfest prep video, as you know. Again, shout out to these guys, Car Cologne. That stuff is actually really strong. That car mist that I've just sprayed, it stinks in the car, like it's that strong. I sprayed too much of it. I put 6 blasts of it on the seats, like 3 each seat. That's all I can smell, so I've got both windows down now trying to wear the car out. It smells so good though, it's just really strong now. My bad. But yeah, so shout out to Car Cologne. The mats look mint, car looks mint now. I've checked tyre pressures, I've just done the tyre pressures. Oil's checked, got my little tool set with me, car's clean, jobs are good in. So this will probably be a video after the Japfest video, because I want to try and get that uploaded and done as soon as possible and edited as quick as I possibly can. But yeah, it's just a little vlog sort of style day, if you like, just me doing my thing with my car, and hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like watching me mess about with my car for 10 minutes. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.